Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to trade or even cover a shift within the Homebase app. We're going to get this done on the mobile app. So without further ado, let's check it out. So what you want to go ahead and do from your homepage is look for schedule. It's right at the bottom. And from here, you're going to go ahead and you'll see your day view and your week view right at the top. Now let's tap on week view. And here you can see all shifts, my shifts only, and open shifts. Now, if you go to my shifts only, you'll see your particular shifts. Now, right at the bottom on Sunday, there's a shift. And on the right-hand side, you're going to click on Find Cover. Now, you can do one of two things, request a cover, or you can trade a shift, all right? So we can go ahead and request a cover. Right here, you want to add a message, all right? So please cover me. And you can select the person that you'd like to have cover this shift. Right at the bottom, you're going to click on Submit Request. All right. Now, once you've clicked on Submit Request, it'll go ahead and it will send a request to that person. However, thereafter, management would need to approve this shift trade. Essentially the same way going into Find Cover, you can go ahead and say Trade Shift and choose the person and their shift that you would like to trade with. And the same thing, you're going to go ahead and tap on Submit Request right at the bottom, and you will be able to trade a shift with that person. However, that person will need to accept and approve that, as well as management having to accept and approve the shift trade. Now, if this was a helpful guide, you can go ahead and drop us a like, show your support, and we'll see you next time. Peace.